Welcome back to Asafa Sub 10 Cars. Jamaica is going through a serious crisis right now. Well, not all of Jamaica, but some of Jamaica was hit with the hurricane very, very bad. And we're trying to help as many people as possible. There are people without homes, without light, water, food, so we're trying to assist in any way we can. So I decided to use this platform as a tool to assist people. I don't want to be making videos, working on cars, and being insensitive, But now I decided to try and use this platform as a tool to, create, more income, more money, so I can assist people. What's going on here? Okay, pool, the pool. So yeah, guys, Kingston wasn't affected, and everything is just normal in Kingston. People going about their daily lives, But on the other side of the island, people are struggling and all that stuff. And a lot of guys, a lot of our like racers and fast cars are from Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, Montego Bay. I know, a lot, of our car people are from that side. So we definitely want to show them some love and some support, but it takes time, It takes a lot of people. A lot of people can't donate, money wise, but just by watching this video and liking this video, that's donating as well. So as you guys know, we've been working on the smart car. I've been waiting on some parts for a very long time, and I finally got them today. I was supposed to get them the week of the hurricane. That's when I was supposed to get them. So now that everything is kind of clearing up in Kingston, the parts and stuff are coming in. So I wanted to unbox, some of these things, to show you guys, what I got, and then, maybe, some of these are just simple things, but some are some main items that the car wants. And I still don't get everything as yet. There are some things that are still on the way. Oil filter, I just buy a couple on the oil filter, and I think I bought like some Mitsubishi oil filter. I know the Mitsubishi Evolution oil filter, they're shorter, so I buy. And by the way, those are the oil filters I run on the Skyline, Mitsubishi oil filter. So they're short. We did a relocation kit on the Skyline, vacuum hose on the Skyline, so it uses we put the Mitsubishi one on it just for space. And guys, don't ask me about the Skyline, please. Don't ask me about the Skyline. What's this now? What's this? Don't ask me about the Skyline. Ask Ziggy. Ask Ziggy. Oh, more oil filters. Like I said, I bought a few oil filters. More and more oil filters. Maybe I should start selling oil filters. Should just buy them, bring them in, and sell them. Alright, so we have more oil filters. These are 4. This come in 4. That's a pack of 4 oil filters. What else? Oh, some K20 coil pack. Some K20 coil pack. So as you guys know, we converted the D-series engine ignition system to use the K20 coil packs. We're no longer using the distributor, so we're using coil packs. So yeah, all the stuff are coming in. Hopefully, turbo blanket. I don't see the fans are anyway. The turbo blanket keep some heat down inside there. This, as we said, oxygen sensor on it. So I think it's the wideband sensor. Wideband sensor. Yeah. I didn't buy the air fuel, yeah, wideband. I didn't buy AM, but this one was fairly expensive as well. It was over $100 and something. So I bought something, a different brand. I'll tell you guys how this one works. Comes with everything in it. Comes with the thing to bung it, a bung it name? The thing to screw the thread to screw in the, what's calling me, man? Justin Gatlin calling me, guys. I'll call him back after the video. I'll call him back. Justin, if you're watching this video, just know that I saw the phone ringing, but I'm just gonna call you back right after this video done. So these are So since as we're gonna put by the AC in the car, I bought back the part to push in in the compressor, so we don't have to go source those anywhere. The plug to go in the compressor, not the electrical plug, but just the plug thing. Oh, so this is the name pressure regulator. Fuel pressure regulator. No, this is different. This is the hose. Before I open another box, let me show you guys what this is. So this is like a sandwich thing. I have to look online to see the exact name. You know, I always get brain freeze. So, you know, like sometimes if you're maybe modifying the car and you want like a temperature gauge, external temperature gauge different from the factory one. This is like a sandwich thing that you can put in between the hose instead of boring a hole in like the gooseneck or something like that. So this is what I mean, guys. This is this thing in between the hose, and you can put your temperature sensor in there. Let me see if I have a temperature sensor I can show you guys. So this is a temperature sensor, and you screw this in. Let me do that and show you. So this come with the hole already drilled in it, and I'm gonna screw the sensor in it and show you guys. Just like that, we have a temperature sensor installed. And then you can get your water temperature gauge and connect it to it. And also have one in the shovel. This is the same thing inside the hose. So you don't have to drill the gooseneck to, put a sensor inside of it. So this is the fuel pressure regulator. This is just to test the PS. But the fuel pressure regulator is supposed to be somewhere here, the actual regulator. And the Mishimoto fans are supposed to be here somewhere as well. I'm not sure. Oh, this is the belt for the compressor. Let's see. What else is here? Man, where the fan? The fan's not here yet. These are just some really connectors. There are batteries. Man, that sucks. So the fan is not. It's not yet. The fans are not here yet, and the fans were some of the first things to get delivered. Oh, the fuel pressure regulator. Oh, this is the block off. So since as we're going, this is nice. See, this is a block off for the distributor. As I said, we're going. We're using coil packs, so we no longer use the plugs on the distributor. This is nice. The billet piece. So yeah, guys, those are what I collected today. I thought there was a lot more. Well, some of the stuff was for my wife actually, but I thought I would have gotten the fuel pressure regulator. The fans are the most important things right now. Finish that part so we can put on the bumper on the car, and finish that. Yeah, so I don't really. I mean, maybe I can drop this off the white band so they can run the wires, and yeah, I'll finish that. So this is not the exciting delivery. Hopefully the next delivery will be a lot more exciting. Thought I got some more stuff, but anyways, guys, thanks for watching. These are the items that I collected today. Hopefully, this can go far away. You know what I mean? The smart car is just like a fun car for me. I'm trying to build that car to, slide around and all that stuff. And crazy, a lot of our best drifters are from those sides of Jamaica as well. It's crazy, man. Well, guys, like and subscribe, show some support. Hopefully, we can help a lot of people, from making these videos. You know what I mean? So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.